Hi, this is Steve Gilmore from Leatherman Tool Group. This is the Leatherman SURGE. It's our industrial size Leatherman tool. It has 21 different features. The nice thing about the Leatherman SURGE, the blades are accessible from the outside and have locking features. So you have your straight blade knife, you got your serrated knife, you got your saw, and you have your scissors. When I open up the SURGE, you have needle nose pliers, regular pliers, replaceable wire cutters, replaceable hard wire cutters, a wire crimper. In the handle of the SURGE, I have an awl with a thread loop. I have a large screwdriver. I have a small screwdriver. I have a can opener, a bottle opener, and a large bit driver. This is the Leatherman SURGE. The accessories that come with the Leatherman SURGE are a nylon sheath, a leather box, 42-piece bit kit. You also have a bit extender. And the nice thing about the SURGE is you have an exchangeable blade. If you want to take out the saw, you can put in the file in the exchangeable blade. This is the Leatherman SURGE.